The best way to find cash buyers in 2026 for wholesale real estate. I'm actually going to share my screen with you all and get right into the video right now. All right, so the first way is through Zillow. Zillow is a great place where you can find cash buyers for free. I'm going to share 2 free ways and 1 paid way to find cash buyers in 2026 for wholesale real estate. So one thing here, I just put in a random city, Chicago, Illinois. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go down to more, and I'm going to put in keywords. So keywords, renovated, remodel. You see, I already have that here. And this is the way that you find cash buyers, all right? So let's just put remodeled and apply. Now there's a ton of properties. What we're going to focus on, if you want to go for condos, you can go for condos, or if you want to go for single families, that will help bring down this list. But for example, if you look through one of them, if it looks staged or looks like it was recently renovated, this was probably, I'm not sure if this is recently renovated or not, but we can go down and you can see the price history. But the last time this was sold was in 2018, and now it's 2026. By the way, you all, be sure to subscribe to this channel. A lot of you all watch my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe to this video, like, and also comment down below. All right, so we're trying to find one that looks like it's been renovated. Okay, this house sort of looks like it's been renovated. It does look recently renovated, and we can see, according to the sale history, that it was sold in November of 2025, and they're trying to sell it again 2.5 months later in 2026. So this is a perfect example, and you see the price too, right? They bought it for $300 and they're selling it for $509. Maybe they spent 80 to 100 grand and looking to make that much, and they may make it. So you see the property and you see the look. This looks very your traditional flip property. All right, so what I would do is either you can look up this information by going to the county's website. So I know Chicago, their county's Cook County. What you can do is go to Google search Cook County Assessor's website or property information. And then from there, you can put in this address, find the owner, and then skip trace them, or find their phone number, or email them, find their email. Once you have their name, put on Google, boom, 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 their name, number, boom, 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 their name, email. Or what you could do is you can contact the listing agent and say, hey, I think this potential person I have a house that they should look at, right? Because essentially what you're trying to do, you're trying to find cash buyers that you could sell your deals to, right? To assign your contracts to essentially. So you want these buyers to buy your deals, right? You want them to be active, and you can tell that this person is active. They have a listing and they're probably looking for another deal now. So that's how you can find cash buyers who are active, who are real. Because sometimes if you're doing it in other ways, you know, like pulling a list that I'm going to show, which I think is really great, but sometimes you may not be able to pull or get a list of cash buyers that have been recently flipping or recently buying rentals. This method is, to me, one of the best ways that you can find it, and it's for free. And talking about pulling a list, let's go to the second way to find cash buyers in 2026 is using a platform like PropStream. If you all are interested in PropStream, check my link down below. You get a 7 free day trial using my link. All right, so PropStream, the great thing here is that you can go to filters and you could just click cash buyers right here. And they have all the lists of cash buyers that you can contact, right? And you can pull this list. Essentially, when I say pull the list, I mean download the list and put it in an Excel format. And then from there, you can skip trace. You could do different things, right? And have a batch dialer here, because now PropStream bought batch dialer. You can do everything from PropStream, or you may need to, sign in right here through it. But another way to find it on PropStream that I preferred, to me, that's more relevant, that's similar to Zillow, but it's paid, and so there's way more narrowing down of cash buyers. Because, for example, that cash buyer that we saw on Zillow, maybe that was a corporation or someone who's not really actively flipping that much. right? With PropStream, you can really cater your list accordingly. So what I will do is I would make a list. So I'm trying to find a cash buyer, someone who has bought a home for cash within the last 6 months, right? For all cash. So what I'm going to do is for property details, let's just say I want to keep it residential, right? And the other thing is I just want to keep it single family. Let's say I'm just looking for people who can flip single family homes, right? I'm narrowing down my list. Now, it can be on the MLS because, for example, this can be a property that someone bought and it's now listed, right? So similar to the listing on Zillow. But from here, I'm going to go to owner information, and I'm going to put it's not owner occupied, right? And then the other thing is it can be vacant or it cannot be vacant because let's say they bought a cash deal that they now have a renter in. So that property is technically not vacant, right? Because they have a renter in. But for this example, let's say we want to go after someone who's bought a house and maybe they're flipping it right now and now they're looking for another deal, or they have it listed, or they're about to get it sold. So to narrow down this list, because we're down to 98,000, we want to get this list lower. I'm going to put, yes, it is vacant also. So we're down to 2,700 properties. Now, the next thing is last sale date. You can do that. You can do individual type. Let's say you just want to go for individuals. You're not looking for corporations, LLCs, or anything like that. Numbers of properties owned. So let's say you want them to have a minimum of 3 property owns because you know that this is an investor. This is just not your one-time, mom and pop or somebody just wanting to try HGTV, right? So let's say they own 3 properties or more, right? Because we're looking for investors. Right, and so this is narrowing down the list a ton, right? Now, last sale date, we want them to purchase this property within the past 6 months. So, or you can do this last year. Let's just do last year. So we're down to 29 properties. So this is that we may have to widen this list, but estimated equity, we want this to be 100% equity, right? Because obviously we want these to be properties that they bought for cash. Now, granted, this may also include hard money loans. So the hard money loan may show up on this. So I'm not entirely sure, but I think this is a good gauge if you want to really narrow it down. The other thing I will just get rid of to broaden the list a little bit more is just put any for vacant. So these can be rental properties that people are flipping. They bought it 100% cash, and it's non-owner occupied, it's individual. These are rentals, these are flips, and things of that nature. And so this is a great way to narrow down that list and find a property. So another way to find cash buyers is by using Facebook. So this is another free way to find cash buyers. So go to your RIA group. So for example, Chattanooga RIA group, and all you're going to do, you see this magnifying glass, just click it and you can type in cash buyers. You see that I typed in cash buyers, and then from there you get this, right? And so for example, I have this marketing in the area looking for cash buyers. Now this was a while ago. Anyone interested? And so in the comments, they're going to have people's emails and whatnot that you can download, or you can private message them directly on Facebook to get their information. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video of how to find cash buyers in 2026. If you all have any questions, be sure to let me know. Subscribe, like this video, and use my link down below if you're interested in PropStream. All right, thank you. Bye.